Today we demonstrate the portable EL tester in a solar power plant. First, open the equipment case. From left to right, the items are test tablet, camera, tripod, lens, hotspot, SD card, and battery. Step 1. Mount the camera onto the tripod and place it steadily. Step 2. Take out the lens and install it. Tip 1. Remove the lens protection cap first. When installing the lens, align the white dot on the lens with the white dot on the camera body. Don't forget to remove the lens cap. Tip 4. Set focus mode to A, shooting mode to M, and adjust the focal length to 18. Step 3. Insert the SD card and battery into the camera. Step 4. Install the hotspot device. Make sure the top latch is securely fastened. Then connect the cable. Finally, turn on the hotspot switch and the camera switch. Next, configure the settings and operate on the tablet. First, connect the camera to the hotspot. The network name starts with camera. Then open the L-Test app. In the top left corner, connect to the network, select Kaikeng and connect. Next, go to Settings and configure the camera parameters. Return to the previous page, then tap Capture to take a photo. Tap Project. You can edit and manage the captured inspection photos here. Now everything is complete. Repack the equipment and place it back into the case. Thank you for watching REOO's tutorial video. Feel free to contact us for further cooperation.